Hello, thanks for tuning to my channel and welcome back to Excel Island. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import data sets from any website, especially website where you don't have the options of downloading a CSV file or a TXT file. But wait, there are two limitations. One, the website must have a table view or table structure on the page, and two, the website must have granted permission for users to be able to connect to that website and use the content of the website. In this example, I have a web page with a table structure, a Wikipedia page, and in the other website, I have also a web page with a table structure but no permission. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a jiffy. But wait, if this is your first time and you love to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with state-to-the-point tutorials, please do consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop new content. Without further ado, let's get started. Hi, so welcome back from the short break. So the first example I'm going to do is a website with a table structure but with no permission. So to connect or import any data set from a website, you need the URL of that website. So to get this, in this case, I have to come to the web page and just Control or right click and copy. I'll minimize the tab, go back to my Excel file, and here I'm on my Excel page, a blank sheet. All I have to do is come to the data tab, go to get data from other sources, click from the web. So from the web dialog box pops up. All I have to do is paste the URL here, click on OK, and let's say it's saying connecting. You can see unable to connect. We encountered an error while trying to connect. Details, access to the resource is forbidden. So in this case, just make sure the website you want to get the data from is giving access to that data set. So I'll just cancel that out and let's do the other one. I'll minimize my tab, come to this Wikipedia page and just copy the URL. Done. Minimize, back in Excel. A simple process, get data from that source, from the I paste the URL, go to view. Now let's click OK this time around. Boom, you can see. So we didn't get that error message from the first time. You can see it has two people, not this is not what we want. And I click this is exactly what we want. You can also click the web view here, so you see exactly how the data set is on the actual website. You can see this is exactly the website we are coming from. I just click on table view. I can either load the data if it's clean, or I can transform the data to work on the data. So for this example, let's just click on load. So there you have it, same data set we have on the website, now back in Excel with a simple technique. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So sneak peek into my next video, I'm going to show you basic ways, 10 basic ways you can clean data set in Excel, even 10 plus the basic way where you can clean data set in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.